Hi, it's Justin Costello with MarineMax in Pompano Beach, Florida, showing you this beautiful brand new 2020 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. It's a full blue hull, stainless steel rub rail, fishing package. Does come with the tandem axle trailer with disc brakes. Let's go ahead and step aboard and show you the options. Up aboard the 2020 Boston Whaler 190 Montauk. Taking a look at the transom, we do have two stern seats with backrests that place in those rod holders. See, there is a teak accent, which is a real teak on the boarding ladder. It's equipped with a 150 Mercury 4-stroke motor, JL audio system, 2 speakers stern, 2 speakers forward. Lots of cockpit space on this boat. Got this set up in the bolster position here. We got a live well with blue interior underneath the helm seat. This lifts up. It'll be a seat facing forward for when you're cruising. Lots of cup holders. 4 right here at the helm. 7-inch Raymarine Axiom screen. Tacks, gauges. Equipped with a Fusion stereo. Raymarine VHF radio. Fishing package, which gives you the compass, tackle storage, starboard side. Let's move forward. Get the cooler seat with backrest. It's removable. More cup holders, grab handles, full bow pad here. We're also got this equipped with the trolling motor panel on the bow. Should you wish to put a trolling motor on this boat, because this boat is available. MarineMax Pompano Beach. 954-633-2070. Give me a call. Again, that's 954-633-2070.